my OG subscribers are gonna know, bro. But like, I low-key done got myself lost at this nature preserve, man. But look where I found myself at though. Like, I might be in the middle of nowhere, but like, I'm somewhere beautiful. You feel me? Like, that's all that really matters at the end of the day. Oh my gosh, and bro, look how narrow this is. Like, bro, I gotta get through this. Like, man. Yeah, this is an interesting trail, man. But it's beautiful, bro. Like, whoo, man. Swear to God, bro. I wouldn't trade this for the world, man. This is amazing.